Hello students, welcome to my channel The Tilok Tutorials, and I hope you are all fine. In the previous classes, I have discussed about tenses, present, past and future, and also voice change. If you have any problem on tenses or voice change, then you can check those videos. Links have been given in the description. And today I am going to discuss about modals. Okay, today I will discuss about modals. So what is a modal or modal verb? We all know about verbs, okay, and there are two classes of verbs in English grammar. There are two classes of verbs in English grammar. There are two classes of verbs in English grammar, okay. Number one, ordinary verbs or regular verbs, and number two, auxiliary verbs. Okay, ordinary verbs or regular verbs, and number two, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are of two kinds. Number one, primary auxiliary. Number one is primary auxiliary, and number two is modal auxiliary. Okay, number one is primary auxiliary and number two is modal auxiliary. That is modal auxiliary. So verb be, verb do, verb have, these verbs, okay, are under primary auxiliary category, and may, might, okay, may, might, should, must, will, etc. These verbs fall under modal auxiliary category. Okay, there are two classes of verbs in English grammar. Number one is ordinary verbs or regular verbs, and number two is auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are of two kinds, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Verb be, verb do, verb have, these verbs fall under primary auxiliary category, and may, might, should, must, will, etc. these verbs fall under modal auxiliary category. Okay, so now what is modal auxiliary? Now the topic of discussion is what is modal auxiliary. What is modal? What is modal auxiliary? A verb used to express the mood or attitude of a speaker is called modal auxiliary. A verb used to express, okay, the mood or mode, okay, the mood or mode or attitude of a speaker is called modal auxiliary. Okay, a verb used to express the mood or attitude of a speaker is called modal auxiliary. Okay, so example number one, you should should SHOULD, you should respect your elders. You should respect your elders. Okay, number two, May I use your pen? May I use your pen? May. Next, could you open the door, please? Could you open the door, please? So could. So these verbs should, may, could, okay, are modal auxiliary verbs. So now we are going to discuss about most commonly used modals. Most commonly used modals. Okay. Most commonly used modals. Commonly used modals. So most commonly used modals are can, could, may, might. Most commonly used modals are can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought to, am, was to, have, oblique had to, used to, need, dare, shall, oblique will. Okay, so most commonly used modal verbs are can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought to, am, was to, have, had to, used to, need, dare and shall will. Okay, need, dare and shall will. So all these modal verbs suggest, okay, some mood or attitude of a speaker. So modal verbs suggest number 1, permission. Number 1, permission. Number 2, possibility. Okay. Number 3, ability. Number 4, promise. Number 5, suggestion. Number 6, advice. Number 7, intention. Number 8, necessity. Number 8, necessity. Okay. Number 9, prohibition. Number 10, duty or obligation. Duty or obligation. Number 11, okay. Number 11, wish or prayer. Okay, so all these modal verbs suggest permission, suggestion, possibility, okay, advice, ability, intention, promise, necessity, prohibition, duty, obligation, wish or prayer. Okay, so this is all about modal verbs. So if you like this class, please subscribe my channel and do share with your friends. Thank you for watching.